It's the last vlog of the year.
Christmas to we so very different, you see. It's not about the snowman, mistletoe, or even a tree. It's just our special vibes are in love, and smiles. Might not have everything together, but together we're all just fine. It's just a merry Mitchell Christmas. It's that empty and kind of cheer. Spread the joy from near and far. When you like, subscribe and share. It's just a merry Mitchell Christmas. 'Tis a season to be near. So grab a seat and come back, we have a time. A merry Mitchell Christmas and a happy New Year.
Good morning, MTM family. But just wake up, and I wake up with a strong feeling of gratitude. Just thankful that we have seen another year go by. 2024 is fast coming to an end, and we are here. It's the final vlog for the year by all accounts. I believe that this will be the last vlog for the year, and that's a big deal. I want to thank all of you guys for riding with us, for coming along the journey in 2024. I believe that it was a very good year for us as a family. As I said, we just have to be grateful for the fact that we are all here in one piece. So many people never live to see the end of the year, and another day above ground is a big thing. You know what I'm saying? Next year we have a lot of dreams, aspirations, goals. I definitely want to do some music. Hear me stay now, right? See, like how Ivy is going to be 3 next year. I want her to understand that her father loves music. Her father is a performer. Her father loves stage. So she can understand genetically how she is attached to the music. Because she loves music, people. She loves sing. She loves dance. And she needs to understand where this come from in her lineage. You know them way there? And I also want to make Tami come back into the music in a little way too. Because me can come back in the music. Me and Tami have to do a song this year. Remember me tell you, we have to do a love song and celebrate with love and celebrate with life and with marriage and with family. Me going to find a way to get it. Just watch how me going to deal with it. Anyway, guys, for the most part, my what you call that now, my New Year resolutions, I'm gonna hold them to my heart. But 2025 just feel like a year that is going to be a big year. And as someone all I want our mates too. You see me, even if we did have a rocky 2024, just know say I saw life go, it's like a pendulum swing. So you swing to the rocky road and then you go swing to the high road, you go swing to glory. You see what I say? I just saw the thing said. Also, I don't know about Uno, but I'm going to dig into my spiritual side to people. People, when you hear me say that, I just say that. I say that because me as a human being knows that I have to appease my human side, but I have to appease my spiritual side. A two side of the kind. And next year just feel like a year where we can go in it. You see me I say? And really just give thanks and give praises to the higher force that give us life. You see what I say? So that is about it. We're going to begin today's vlog right here. So make us see what I go on. Momo is heading down to Linstead. So this might be our last day together as a full unit. So we're going to try make the best of it. You see what I say? Alright, let's do this. Hi guys. Good morning, guys. Guys, you know, realize that it's the last vlog for 2024.
Dad? And these two can't stop fighting.
And I can't stop the fighting.
Dad,
so early in the morning.
Daddy.
Huh? Yes, Bookie?
Come sit beside me, please.
Oh, yes. I'm going to come sit beside you. Yes, Sonny. Bagwan Jax.
Hi, Dad.
It's the last vlog of the year.
No. Last vlog of the year.
Yeah.
Married 2025. Why married? Don't know. Happy 2025.
Merry 2025. That sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
I like that. It have a ring to it. Oh, Stumble. Tuki Toes. Hi to Kittus. Hi to Kittus.
I want to see you.
Did you cut your toe?
No.
Oh, she had a boo boo. Hi, Ivy.
Dad,
Say hi, Daddy.
come sit beside me. Mommy. And look what I'm doing.
What you doing?
Things look golden, so I don't know what to. Look, I can fly. Rawr.
Momo, walk on. Eh? I wake up and just I give thanks because we get to see another year. And these are the last vlog for the year.
Oh, for this year.
Yeah. But this year was a monumental year. For you launched your channel this year. So it was a good year, don't it? How you feeling that we'll make another rotation around the sun?
Well, thank God for, we call it, for the year. And the new coming year, 2020, 25.
Yeah.
Yes. We just ask God to,
Multiply things again.
cover us and,
Yeah.
we want a new thing. The young people, they need to come together, unite, love one another. Not time for war now. Time for unite.
True.
And come together, And you look all of my subscribers them on my channel and your channel. Love you guys, although I not do nothing from out there, but guys, you know, so sing.
Yeah.
So sing. And all we have to do, pray for one another and pray up. And do the right thing. Do the right thing.
Do the right thing.
Do, yes.
Heading into
right
2025.
Yes, 25.
Yeah,
yes.
you have any big thing where you want to accomplish next year?
Big thing, for God give me health and strength.
Yeah.
And come together, unite with my family, love one another, and worship God the right and proper way.
Yeah. So we give thanks. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, and big up all the people, then big up all in the foreign, You know, say people in the foreign watch me, everyone. They can't name you,
Yeah.
but me know someone watch. I don't love me, I love me.
Yeah, we love you too.
Yes.
Thanks for the contribution and the love that you have for we and our
And
family.
thank you for you too.
Yeah.
If it wasn't you, I couldn't put pot on my fire and boil 2 dumplings and do what I have to do. Thank God for you and thank God for Uno.
Yeah, big up yourself and big up Brian.
Alright, blessing.
That is it. Oh! Bro, you have to bounce it first. Go for your ball. Oh, good try, Ivy. Oh, Ivy cheat. Come. Bam. Come this side. Stand up though, Ozzy. Stand up so you get a nice bounce. Ready? Go. What? Oh! Nice. Don't stop shake the table, my G. Ready? Oh, man. Go on again now, Ozzy. Oh! Hold on. My turn now. Oh! In and out. In and out like the burger, please. Ready? I'm so bad.
Dad, just try and get it in a better motion. Then you'll try and get
A better motion? Okay.
Give me all of them. Try to the hip.
Not all of them. No. I say you're going to take money from people. Come. All of the money you want. But. Oh, good try.
Bob.
No, me not stop till me get one.
Dad, try and get it to a better angle.
I not stop till I get one. You
Dad.
can't trick me. Oh, finally. Oh. Come, hold on, let me try.
Let me try now.
Alright. I got the farm now. I got the formula.
This new photo app just on iPhone really upsets me. And I know a lot of you feel the same way.
And not just you alone. How can you just
switch up the app? So,
well, you know what I mean?
and nothing was wrong with it,
Never wrong with it. Them don't know say if it don't broke, don't fix it.
They don't know.
Them throw me off, brother. Study me off. I know me not catch it good yet.
So true. It's crazy. Anyway, it's fine. So Wayne and I are heading out for our final date.
They call it a date.
our dim sum date. Hold on, this thing is shaking up. Like I was saying, it's the last date for the year. Our last dim sum date for the year. The next time we go to dim sum will be in 2025. I was saying how this week is like the weirdest week. You know, somebody dropping at a pothole there yesterday?
Really?
Yeah, you missed it nice. Oh!
No, I never eat that. I catch I'm cousin.
I'm like a brother. It's that weird week where you don't really know what day it is.
Who tell you, Tami?
You don't know if it's Saturday, Sunday, or Monday.
Throw right off.
It's a lot, so yeah. Anyway, it's also the week where you're looking ahead of yourself and looking into the new year and wondering, you know, what is going to be different for you this year, what you're working on, what you're improving on, what you're not doing anymore, what your yeses are, what your no's are. It's an interesting time of life. I bet like all of the, what's it called again? Gym memberships in January just like go through the roof.
Who tell you? No.
Gyms look forward
Trust
to that
me.
time of year, you know?
Alright, now over December, that's crazy, Jim.
Oh, gym. No, actually there were a group of women at my gym and we made a pact to each other that we would show up during the season, and we really have, you know?
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
No, I have
we
to
see
commend
each
you
other.
for your effort
Yeah.
to be consistent throughout December.
It was tough, and we're
Going to the
still even this week, and thank God for my gym that has committed to staying open except for the major holidays, so that we can stay on track somewhat. But we also have made allowances to enjoy the season and to eat the food we want and to drink the drinks and all that stuff. So,
Christmas was good.
yeah, it was a good Christmas.
Yeah.
I mean, I speak to a lot of moms and a lot of women, and you know, we all agree it's also very tiring, very stressful, and it's almost a thankless job because you just do it year after year after year, and we all joke that maybe one year we'll get to enjoy it like everybody else, but I don't know, maybe we will. Maybe this is just part of it and we just have to figure out how to enjoy the stress of it. But I'm glad I'm not alone. I'm so glad that women openly share that with me, and it means I can openly share it with you. But we're all in the same storm, even if we're in different boats.
On behalf of the kids and myself, I want to thank you for putting in such a great effort to make Christmas so nice for us as a family. You know what I mean? As you said, it's thankless, but I mean, for what it's worth, we thank you.
Well, it's worth a lot to hear thank you. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
And to anybody out there who has maybe taken for granted that they don't have to tell their mom or whoever, maybe it's your dad in this situation or whoever it is, thank you. You should, because it sweetens the labor, because it's a lot. It's a
lot of effort.
Yeah, but yeah, it's not enough to just know that your family is grateful. It's nice to hear it too. Anyway, you're welcome. It was my joy and pleasure to make it happen.
It's just.
But every year gets better because I get smarter every year. So, in other words, I shouldn't say I get smarter, I get wiser every year. So
Yeah, you made an early trip up to Foreign.
Yes.
This time around.
Yes. I ordered in some food.
Yeah.
I got extra help so that we could all enjoy it, because a lot of it, you know, a lot of years me and Momo and Tessie really buckled down, but the last few years we've always had extra help to make sure that we can enjoy it. So I'm getting wiser. One thing I have to get wiser about next year is wrapping presents earlier. People, I'm sick for wrap present. Sick. That I'm ever gonna teach Wayne how to rap. So him can sit outside and me a rap too.
You can rap.
You can't rap. You can't rap?
DJ too.
So I was gonna say, if you can't rap, why never come at me? How wickedness. He said I can rap and DJ. Oh boy. Anyway, let's go enjoy our last Demi of the day. Atlas, if you're watching this, My bad, baby.
Don't watch it. Don't do it.
Fast forward.
Skip around a minute.
Wayne, put it there.
I'm in the bush.
Forgot to laugh. But the food was very good. Forgot to laugh. Wayne said this.
There's people and then say, Jesus, I'm going to get my food and
Come to us after the restaurant.
yeah? Hi, Ivy.
Atlas, that's sounding good, bro.
Is Atlas on that play? Atlas is here. Come on, go on and do it.
You know the song we played, right?
What's that?
It's the wrong sing.
I'm still standing.
And the syncopation is not normal.
Yeah, boy. Bad. Boom it. Mad thing.
I'm still standing. Yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah.
Sugar plum. Hi, sugar plum. No, so that squeeze up your eye, man. Where are you going with it now? Where are you going with it now?
I'm gonna cook some food. Bungo rice and peas.
Okay, just start. And then we're going to
Some
soon.
seasoned chicken.
Okay. What else are you going with today?
I'm going with nothing. Just going the sun liquor dinner, you know? Dinner vibes. Yeah, liquor something for the kids then.
You know, the sun there.
Huh?
My phone is red.
Your Crocs?
My phone is red.
Okay.
Daddy, why is it coming down so straight? No, show MTM. No. Watch this. Don't show MTM the bullet in the air. Look at me. It come down and hit me. Why is it coming down so straight?
Because. Pops, where you say, boss?
The other day, I'm coming for my daughter and my grandchildren, them and one man named the Marshalls is in town.
Where you say, man? Me that one there, if you don't wait till next year. Me that one there, if you don't go wait till next year, if you come check me.
No, man, we'll have to see you right up to the end of this year. You know, man.
I like a dinner me there eat.
No, continue,
Momo
man.
creation there.
No, I'm all right.
Brown stew chicken, gungo rice and peas. Pops, don't take show off, you know.
What?
Eh?
No, man, you're right, man.
See how it like y'all a maga down?
No, some man.
Feed him body, Tami. Give him something.
Meat sustenance.
Pops, my name take your Ozempic, you know.
Where's that?
What is that is right?
Come here, let me try when
No,
you
do
do.
that, Atlas, no.
When you go cook the curry
Take
goat
a
there,
stop, please.
I'm gonna walk cook curry goat again, you know.
No, don't say that.
Serious.
Don't say that.
But I'm gonna cook it still though. We don't try everything I find a man to cook curry goat plus oxtail and fried chicken. What I'm gonna do, curry goat, fried chicken and manish water.
Man over here, so now.
You're brown.
I wish game this.
The name is called like sling something. Alright, ready? Sling pop. Go. Oh, that gone over the fence.
Me I gotta be the baddest thing in this.
Sing Bucky.
No, Jackson.
So how you win that game, you know? So me not see you lick over film player.
Yeah, because I don't want him over here.
You can lick back film player.
Yeah, we can do anything we want.
Right, you know, over the fencing go.
Go on,
Mom, let me have a try.
Tami a thief, man.
Mom, stop green timing.
Yo, that moves green timing. What's green timing?
Some FIFA team.
Pops, so you start them off with this?
I'm gonna get all of these guys over. Ozzy, wait! Just let mommy win. Mom!
All film player, you go back over
Yeah,
film
it's about
side.
getting everybody over.
Oh,
Mom! Yes!
Miss Competitive. Miss Competitive.